We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making
A simple oxtail recipe that I made in an instant pot, y'all. And here are our ingredients. Here I'm showing you our oxtail that we're going to cook on today. I'm not cooking many, just a few, just to show y'all how I make mine in an instant pot. I'm going to take these over to my sink and rinse them off. These have been rinsed off and now ready to be cooked. Here we're pouring them into our instant pot. Now we're adding our onion soup mix, or you can use the beef bouillon powder. To me, they both have the same flavor. Just make this recipe yours. Here we're sprinkling on some garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. Now we're going to mix in our seasonings well. You may be asking how much water did I add to my oxtails. I just added enough for my gravy, depending on how much gravy you want. Because when you're pressure cooking your oxtails, you don't need much water, but I added extra water because of my gravy. I wanted enough gravy for my oxtails. Here we're adding our lid onto our pot. We want to make sure this is uh, placed on and sealed. Make sure to press the meat button. Press the plus button to add more time. We're going to start our oxtails on 45 minutes. Our Instant Pot will take it from there. All you do now is make sure your valve is closed so the pressure can accumulate into your pot. Okay, that's all we need to do. See you in 45 minutes. Since the Instant Pot has started beeping, our 45 minutes is up. Now, as you can see, I have turned the valve towards me. And so that will release all the pressure out of the pot. So be very careful. Make sure that you release all the steam out of your pot. This Instant Pot has a safety mechanism. If the steam is not completely out, it won't open. And that's a good thing. This is for our safety. Okay, our oxtails have been cooking for 45 minutes. And now what I have done, I have set my setting on saute. And that way you can cook this without the lid on it. And so what we're doing now, we're going to prepare our gravy for our oxtails. My oxtails is at the tenderness that I want. If if you like yours more tender, cook them longer. But me, I don't want mine overcooked. So this is the tenderness that I'm looking for. Now we're making our gravy. You have two options. You can use cornstarch or flour. I decided to use all-purpose flour for my gravy. I'm starting out with 2 tablespoons of flour and then add the same amount of water or maybe a little bit more so to make sure you're able to get all the lumps out of your flour mixture because you don't want any lumps in there. So just stir it until it's smooth. You can even add a little beef broth instead of water. Make this recipe yours. Make sure you have this water and flour mixture where it will be able to pour onto your oxtails. Make sure to mix this in evenly because we want our oxtails to be covered in our gravy. That if you want gravy. Y'all, these are good even without the gravy. Just make sure you pour in the mixture a little at a time. This depends on how thick you want your gravy. Here I'm showing you something that's optional. I'm using a flavoring and a browning agent for my gravy. I sometimes use this and sometimes I don't. But if you want your gravy a more darker color, you can use the browning agent. I'm using maybe a half a teaspoon of it. But y'all, like I say, it's good with or without it. So make this recipe yours. Okay, y'all, our oxtails are all done. And we're getting ready to plate these up. Y'all, I'm showing you how thick I wanted my gravy. This is the thickness that I wanted mine. We're going to plate these up. And I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell to get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I want to say, letting y'all know y'all hadn't seen me in a minute. Yes, y'all, I have been trying to take care of Miss Brenda D. I have just had cataract surgery on one eye. I will be getting the next one done on next week, y'all. So y'all keep me in your prayers. The first one, the doctor said, went well. And so I went for my follow-up, and he said my eye is doing fine. And so y'all pray for me as I go through these surgeries and that I recover soon, y'all, so I can get back to cooking. And so y'all just pray for Miss Brenda D, okay? Like always, I want to say y'all have a blessed day and bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
That's a hit!